How to become an auto body technician with no experience or schooling. If you're having difficulty trying to get into the field, here are 3 tips you can use to land yourself a job. The first tip is to start gaining experience working on cars, and the sooner you start, the better. Ask to work on your parents' vehicle or someone you know. Start off by doing the easiest and simplest jobs to do. This will help build your experience skill set so that employers are more likely to hire you. This is because you take the time out to learn about and work on vehicles. So how can you gain experience working on cars? Here's a list of things any beginner can do. Changing oil and brakes. Doing oil changes and brakes are probably the most easiest things to do. They don't take up much time doing the repair, and you get comfortable working on cars taking this approach. I'll link videos to show how to get started on oil and brakes in the description below. Work as an auto glass installer for a short stint. Any beginner can become an auto glass technician, which will give you the skills that auto body shops are looking for. Many auto body shops are looking for people who know how to install windshields and work on car windows. You'll gain some experience and skills while earning money on your way to becoming an auto body technician. Do some body work at home. A big plus is to do some body work yourself. So if you've got some rust that needs repairing on your car, you can do small jobs to restore the paint and gain some body work experience. You don't need any fancy tools, and there are professional spray cans out there that'll get the job done. In this industry, experience will always trump schooling when starting out. So work on cars as soon as you can. Even a little experience will go a long way when talking to employers. The second tip is to have a basic set of tools with you. It's going to cost money to start fixing up vehicles, but would you rather pay $250 to get a good set of tools, or over $2,500 to learn this in college? I'd rather pay $250 to get started any day. And the best part is you can get started this week. This would be enough to at least do oil changes and brakes or bodywork rust repairs because you'll have the tools to do them. Plus, shop owners will ask you if you've got tools with you, just to make sure they know you're serious about the trade. So make sure you're prepared and have some tools with you just in case. The third tip is to be ready to start off as a detailer. Almost every shop will start you off as a detailer. You'll have to get used to washing cars and making them shine for quite some time before you can move up in the trade. Anyone can detail and doesn't require much knowledge to get done right. If you already have experience detailing, this will be a plus for you. So there you go, 3 tips on becoming an auto body technician. All links to videos and product suggestions will be down below to help you get started. If you learned a lot here, be sure to sign up and get the 7-step guide on how to cut car costs by 70% every year. I hope this video helped. We'll see you in the next one.
Automotive for beginners.